I mean, that completely undermines the trust of the physician-patient relationship.
Hello, free citizens. This is John Strand bringing you Frontline Flash on location here at Clay Clark's ReAwaken America tour at the Trump National Doral in Miami, Florida. Joining me now, I'm very excited to welcome Dr. Bryan Atkinson, the physician liaison at goldcare.com.
Thank you, John. It's wonderful to be here. It's a real exciting event.
Yeah, there's a lot of energy here already, and we're pretty excited about GoldCare. This is a totally revolutionary concept and idea, and we certainly know that the modern medical industry at this point is just fraught with fraud, corruption, death, a lot of problems. So just describe what is GoldCare, why is it so exciting and so different?
Thank you. Yeah, GoldCare is an attempt to redefine medicine in the country, in the United States. It's the fact that there are millions, I think, many millions of Americans that no longer trust their doctor. They don't know where to go to get trusted health care. Their doctors are telling them that they need to get injected with a toxic gene therapy medicinal product that has no benefit to them and is causing them harm.
Right.
That same doctor you're supposed to trust for everything else that you want to ask, it makes no sense.
Absolutely.
So we're looking at developing a means for patients in this country to now find trusted doctors that they can go to for their primary care needs. So this is not specific to COVID. This is regular health care, your diabetes, your hypertension, your allergies, whatever it might be, that you can now get on GoldCare. Find a trusted doctor in your state. You can also find health coaches. You can also find naturopathic physicians, and you can find holistic health, professionals. So the gamut of classical medicine, as well as natural and holistic medicine, is available on GoldCare.
That's so exciting.
It is exciting.
And it's a whole new way of approaching health and medicine. Tell us about the private membership association, kind of the separate ecosystem that GoldCare provides.
Right. So all the medical providers and the members themselves become a part of a family, a private membership association. And within that membership, we are seeking the best for the patient. We don't have corporate oversight telling us what medicines to prescribe, telling us, it's unbelievable what is happening in medicine.
GoldCare doctors aren't getting paid off to give you certain drugs?
Yeah, exactly. And the same thing with even vaccines. Doctors, as we know now, Blue Cross and other corporate medical insurance companies are paying doctors incentives to vaccinate as many patients in their practice as they possibly can.
Yeah.
I mean, that completely undermines the trust of the physician-patient relationship. So within the PMA, you're only getting trusted doctors. It's a cash-based system because we have to get away from corporate control of medicine.
Right, and so when you pay directly for a service or a good or service, you know what it is, you know what you're getting, you have more free market competition to get a great product. But then there's also the aspect that medicine sometimes is prohibitively expensive. Sometimes there's emergencies that are catastrophic. How does GoldCare handle that?
Right, so in addition to having the access to the telemedicine providers, you can also have something called GoldCare Plus, where we are affiliated with a Christian cost-sharing ministry called Zion, where you have that product in your back pocket, as it were, for when you do have a car accident or if you have to go to the hospital or the emergency room for something. Right. The cost-sharing ministries, they've been around for several decades. They have a great track record. They pay very well. And that's your security blanket.
That's your cost protection.
You really can get rid of your Humana and your Aetna and your Blue Cross and all of those other.
Get rid of the old MIC insurance, the medical industrial complex. So GoldCare has completely revolutionized the approach to medicine from modern Western to holistic and true wellness in an ecosystem of true, accurate science and freedom-loving physicians and patients in a protected world separate from the old, and also including full cost protection for catastrophic situations.
Absolutely, it covers all of that. That was a perfect summary.
It is the full solution, it's amazing. Goldcare.com, thank you so much, Dr. Atkinson. And ladies and gentlemen, the real story of right now is continuing, and it's coming soon on the next Frontline Flash.